In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add nofollow links in WordPress using the plugin. Adding a nofollow attribute to a link in HTML instructs search engines not to follow that particular link. In order to do that, simply log into your WordPress website, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for title and nofollow links. From various plugins over here, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and you can see the plugin rating as well as active installations. Once installed, click on Activate. Now let's go to Posts, and we'll click on Add a New Post. Enter the paragraph text here as required. Now highlight the text to which you want to insert the link. Click the link icon in the editor toolbar to open the link pop-up. In the link pop-up, you'll now see additional options provided by the plugin. Simply click on this settings icon over here, and simply enter the URL over here. Check the Add rel equal nofollow to link box to make the link nofollow. Click the Add Link or Update button to insert or update the link with the specified settings. And that's it. This is how easy it is to add nofollow links in WordPress using the plugin. Now, in case you want to learn how to create a download link, then you can learn that as well. I've linked the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.